Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shishi Education Care Foundation. I shut down my old YouTube channel, the Education Foundation, because of some disputes and issues. And here in Shishi Education Care Foundation, I teach you related to because related to electronics and telecommunication, electronics, and telecommunication. Because I am I'm engineer to electronics and telecommunication. Inside this first time I teach you about electrical. Second is semiconductor physics, conductor physics. Third is analog electronics, electronics. Fourth is electronic devices, electronic devices. Fifth is fourth is electronic devices. Fifth is engineering materials, engineering materials. Sixth is digital electronics or integrated circuits, digital electronics. To say digital, to say linear integrated circuits also. Linear integrated circuit or linear integrated circuits also. Seventh one is a teach related to circuit theory. You have to say network and transmission lines, network and transmission lines, transmission lines. Inside network circuit theory, I tell you, I teach you about related how could power supply goes from one place to another place if, in the form of AC. Means to say, how could you distribute direct that power which will be generated inside the power plant, derive that power in the field of communication, in the field of electrical. So the subject name is circuit theory, or it is a network and transmission and data transition. There are lots of things, and VAS technique, box technique, signal transmission techniques, so lots of things. Then after I teach you about the engineering maths. First, ninth, engineering maths 2. Engineering maths 2. Here in these two subjects, engineering maths, I teach you from 11th grade to 12th grade. Also, I teach related to 9th to 12th grade. Because engineering maths, if you see inside the engineering maths related to uh, uh, before differentiation, if you see there, you see about the trigonometry and height and distances and all this subject topics which would correlate to the code related to some kind of inside the field of engineering, in the field of electrical, electronics, civil and mechanical, all these things. So I also include related to trigonometry, height and distance, and there's one more subject, one more topic, height and distance, trigonometry, and coordinate geometry. All these things. Before before integration, these topics counted inside a diploma, also in the 9 to 12th grade also. So from integration, differentiation, integration, the degree mathematics start, but also differentiation, integration, and Laplace, inverse Laplace, all these kinds of mathematics subjects count in diploma also. So also the matrix determinants, so all these things, there are lots of big. So it is Laplace, inverse Laplace, L'Hospital rule in the derivation of these theories inside the other subjects like circuit theory, digital electronics, and the electrical college subjects like if you see inside the motors, AC motors, DC motors, induction motors, because generators, you correlate the integration, differentiation, formulas inside those things. And if you come inside the semiconductor physics, you have to know the related correlate with the basic integration, differentiation. Before that, you know about the basic formulas also related to all this. Then you come in electronics, then electrical devices, then engineering matters, then later there's circuit theory, then engineering maths, then engineering maths 1 and the engineering maths 3. One was, I think, left it, the 10th is C language, C and C++ language. These 10 subjects I teach you within 3 months. Within 3 months, I forgot something. Plus, in deep, here electrical, some things are common in the field of electrical, electronics, and mechanical. I cover Hall and mechanical. I cover whole these three related. In between, I teach you related to in between. I teach you related to 8 to 12th maths, physics, and chemistry. Also, I teach you related to robotics from basic to advanced. Also, I teach you related to tab related to tabs and smartphones. Android developing on C. Android developing on C because developing on C. Plus, I teach you what is the difference between the iOS, Windows, Linux, plus and Android. Why Android is a much more better platform than Windows, and why iOS much more better platform than Android. And as all of you know, iOS only used in Apple devices. There are lots of operating system also. Samsung has their own operating system and companies. So I teach you all these things in deep, related to operating systems, related to tabs and mobiles. How could they work? How could they how could your feather touches worked? Also, I teach you on the as a layman type is someone like the 8th or 9th get student. You have a key interest is to know how could the feather touches worked, what is the technology inside this, teach you as on the basic like a layman type. Okay, so all those statistics I teach, also I teach you all these seven subjects. Then after when I completion my electronics and telecommunication curriculum, I also teach you how could you took admission in MIT, Harvard, Stanford on the scholarship basis, on the scholarship basis, and how could you get scholarship, and how could you get scholarship? Could you get a scholarship? Of these are like also the Boston is added here. Boston and Fermi is also added here, and so lots of lots of universities, big universities, those who count in top 10 on the world in inside the world, and how could you get admission there? Like if you are an 12th grade kid and you don't know how could you apply it for the MIT, Harvard, Stanford, Boston on the basis of scholarship. I teach you, I guide you this. How could you applied for the scholarship, and how what kind of entrance set there on the basis of physics, mathematics, and chemistry. Also, I teach you related to the electronics and telecommunication basis. How could you get inside there as a master, also as a degree person? Because when if you are diploma or degree holder, you can't know how could you apply there as a master's or as a PhD person. So means to say you know you have a degree, and you know you have that much kind of calibers to clear these universities scholarship entrances, but you don't have any idea how could apply there. I teach you also those things. How could you apply it there? Then you get the proper information also, and and then after completion of all these my basics and all the my electronics and telecommunication syllabus, I teach you related to mechanical physics and maths, electrical physics and maths. So there is a deep insight because I am an engineer, and I am an electrical telecommunication engineer through I installed electrical telecommunication engineer. So I know how could I teach better, and how could you learn better. So you take advantage which is for Shashi Education Care Foundation through my YouTube channel. I shut down that my previous YouTube channel named as Diya Education Foundation, because there are some disputes and issues related to that kind of person. So I shut down it. Shashi Education Foundation I started because my later you have to say in his Hindi, the Mamaji, and the English you have to say the uncle, the late uncle, the mother's elder brother. He is a great electrical engineer. So that's I started this new YouTube channel on the behalf of his name. Uh, Please like, share, subscribe my channel. My name is Akshay Dave, and also I tell you one thing. I promise as this I teach you to do MIT scholarship entrances, and how could you get in, and without giving money, and all the universities, because also cleared scholarship and entrance to Sun, which is found in Geneva, Germany. So that's why I know how could you get inside without giving any kind of amount. Only can't ever give you a single 1 rupee, and took admission easily, and took a scholarship, get a scholarship. Through that scholarship you can then free of cost, cost on those in those universities. Okay, okay, thank you very much. Please like, share, subscribe my channel Shishya Education Care Foundation. My name is Akshay Dave, and I'm an electronics and telecommunication engineer through Institute of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Good night. Thank you very much. Very much, and pranam.